Realme is all set to launch the GT8 tomorrow, October 21st, in China. The series will include the GT8 and the GT8 Pro. The detailed features and pricing of the Pro variant recently surfaced online. Now, the specifications and teaser of the standard GT8 have been revealed just ahead of launch. The Realme GT8 will be available in navy, white, and green. The official teaser reveals that the standard GT8 will have a quite similar camera module to the GT8 Pro. Realme has also partnered with Ricoh GR to fine-tune the cameras on the GT8 series. The Realme GT8 will likely feature a 6.6-inch 2K 144Hz flat LTPO OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. In the camera department, the Realme GT8 could sport a 50MP main sensor, likely the Sony LYT700, accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 50MP 3.5x periscope telephoto lens. For selfies, there will be a 16MP front-facing camera. On the performance side, the phone will run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, run on the next-generation Realme UI 7-based Android 16. The device will pack a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.